Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15ADA0031NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15ADA0031NS is feeling sluggish, you're not alone. Many users experience slow performance, particularly when the solid-state drive is nearing its end of life. This can happen due to excessive data, wear and tear, or even software issues. Ignoring this can lead to further complications, potentially resulting in data loss or a complete system failure. To tackle this, we'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and of course, your new M2 solid-state drive. Ensure that you have a clean workspace to prevent any accidental damage. First, let's safely open the device. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from the power source. It's wise to wear the anti-static wrist strap to avoid any static damage. Locate the screws on the underside of your HP 15ADA0031NS and carefully remove them with the Phillips screwdriver. Once all screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the plastic spudger. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Now that we have access to the internals, locate the existing M2 solid-state drive. It should be a small rectangular component, usually secured with 1 or 2 screws. Remove these screws carefully, applying just the right amount of force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are out, gently pull the solid-state drive out of its slot at a slight angle. Insert the new M2 solid-state drive into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws to secure it in place. Before closing the laptop, double-check that all cables and components are undamaged and properly seated. Now, carefully align the back cover with the laptop and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert all screws to secure the back cover. Finally, power on your HP 15ADA0031NS and check that the system recognizes the new solid-state drive. If everything works smoothly, you've successfully completed the upgrade. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly maintain your device by cleaning up unnecessary files and monitoring storage space. Consider replacing the solid-state drive every few years as part of your laptop's upkeep. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.